how to transfer or share CapCut videos. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can transfer or share CapCut videos. For that, you have to follow this step. Launch the app here. Once you have launched the app, you have to select the project that you want to share. Go and select that project here. So once you have selected that project, you have to tap on the export option, which is usually located at the top right corner. Just go and tap on that, and you can choose your desired resolution frame here, and you can tap on the export and wait until the video has been exported. And here you can see that after exporting, you will see the option to share directly to the platform like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. You can select your preferred platform and you can follow the instruction. Also, you can share it to your device and you can save it to your device here. So just go and select the platform that you want to share. So once you have selected your platform, just go for the send option. Once you have sent, just go back and open up your messenger here. Once you have opened up your messenger, so here you can see your video that has been sent or shared to your friend. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily transfer or share your CapCut videos. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.